Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling notifications on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Notifications and Focus. Click on an app from the left list of apps. Then click the toggle to the left of Allow Notifications to turn it off. When the toggle is grey, it is off. To disable all notifications, go through all of the apps and switch the notifications toggle off. If you only want to turn notifications off temporarily, when you are working or on a call for example, then a better option is to click on Focus at the top of the page. Click Do Not Disturb to turn it on. Then click Options. Here you can uncheck all the boxes to get no notifications in Do Not Disturb mode. You can then just turn on Do Not Disturb mode whenever you don't want to receive any notifications. To turn on Do Not Disturb mode, click on the control panel icon in the top right of your Mac. Select Focus and then click Do Not Disturb. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.